Papua Society Summation over here. Just made this video to give a shout out to Legends for sending us a package. As you guys can see, the courier guy sent us this from Legends. There's all the information there. Legends Pro England. There you go. There's my name there, Sumeshan Naidu. So hello. Guys, first gotta have a black plastic. Look already done it so that it doesn't break. This is the looks like a dip. Yo guys, just look at it. Love guys, one of your new dubs. Just look at it guys, love. It's the first dub. And we got another one of garlic guys from Legends. Yo, one of my favorite ones, Maximus Cup, hold up. Oh, there's the last one. Okay, we got another hard yellow innocent. Look here guys, the shirt what they sent us from Legends to Papua Society. Here we've got it here. As you can see also here guys, Legends. Look at this, keep out great please. Legends guys. Guys, get us on Facebook, Papua Society. We are on YouTube. Here's our WhatsApp number 065 277 1780. Subscribe for us there on YouTube, like our channel and share it. Don't forget to hit the thumb bell to notify you for the videos, for new videos and all. And guys, don't forget just to follow us please guys. Thank you. Shout out to Legends for sending us the shirt and some few products in the plastic. And then guys, all I want to say is follow them and meet their shop in Cecilburg. Go to them, get all products that you want. And I just want to say once more again, thank you to Legends for sending us a sponsorship. And thanks a lot. Follow them, like them, they're everywhere on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. Get to Legends and get your products. Thank you.